When everybody's talking about your marketing campaign is not always a good thing, and McDonald's has proven that many times. With their most recent marketing blunder, having the CEO try the new Big Arch, and he took a little tiny bite, and he referred to the sandwich as a product the whole time, and this has spawned many people to have reactions and laugh about it. People like Moist Critical with 15 million subscribers making videos on it, and many CEOs from competitors making their own TikToks making fun of it. And this has inspired this video to go over some of McDonald's other marketing failures. The Big Arch has caused McDonald's some problems before. They released the Big Arch Deluxe and marketed it as a grown-up sandwich for people with diverse palates, and that did not work at all. And the commercials were like showing kids like, what's up with the Big Arch or something like that. And yeah, that's a blunder there. That was back in the 90s, I believe. I was researching this video and I came across the McAfrika. So this was in 2002, so I was about 1 year old. And they released this sandwich in Norway, and I don't know if it was any other Scandinavian countries, but Norway for sure. And in 2002, South Africa or Southern Africa was going through a famine, and there's like 12 million people starving. And yeah, a lot of human rights groups spoke out about it. It was not a good thing. It was a PR disaster. And I think like it's not funny. I laugh about it because like if that happened in 2026, oh my god, that would just be like if the whole even now if they just like made that sandwich now, I can't really see it going well. I'm in different clothes because I forgot to put this in the video yesterday, but McDonald's had the Supersize campaign in 1993, and this was for the Jurassic Park movie. And the Supersize campaign was actually a good campaign. A lot of people liked it. But then in 2004, a guy named Morgan Spurlock decided to eat only McDonald's for 30 days. And if the person serving him this McDonald's, like the cashier or whoever's at the drive-thru, asks to supersize his meal, he has to say yes. And after 30 days, this did pretty bad things to his body. And that documentary is known as Supersize Me, which was really big and ended up being a complete PR disaster for McDonald's. This last one, you may hear about it in your marketing classes. That's where I first heard about it. And that is the hashtag McDStories. So in 2013, McDonald's had this campaign on Twitter, now known as X. And they decided to post this hashtag McDStories, and you tell all your good stories with McDonald's. Well, who has good stories at McDonald's? I don't. And like many other people, they have a lot more bad stories from McDonald's, and then they just go and posted all their horror stories. They pulled that in like a couple hours, but people just kept posting it, and once again, another PR disaster. The McDonald's marketing department, I don't know, they do some bold things, I guess. If you like these types of videos, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.